Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS, 650cc, twin cylinder, fuel injection, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission. Really cool orange and metallic gray paint scheme. It's got the rear luggage rack, fender eliminator, LEDs. Bike's in fantastic shape, only 1,000 miles on the odometer. Price to sell at $62.99. Hurry down before we raise the price. This bike is priced too low. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.